Hello everyone. With this video, we will demonstrate how to check inverter compressor of Samsung frost-free refrigerator. Before checking digital inverter compressor, you must check the voltage flow on main PBA as well as inverter PBA. Main PBA and inverter PBA are located at the back of the refrigerator. Open these 3 screws to remove the panel. This is main PBA and this is inverter PBA. Power on the refrigerator. Set the multimeter knob to measure AC voltage. Check input voltage at main PBA. It should be approximately 230 volt AC. Main PBA is providing same AC voltage to inverter PBA through these wire connections. Check 230 volt AC at output of main PBA. And then on input of inverter PBA. Inverter PBA supplies 5 volt DC through this connector along with compressor RPM information with feedback signals to main PBA. Now let's check the resistance of the compressor. For this, power off the refrigerator and take out the plug. First, do the ground testing of compressor. To initiate the testing, set the knob of multimeter to check continuity. Place one probe on the body of refrigerator or compressor and second probe to the supply terminal of compressor. Test all terminals one by one. Please note, an OK compressor will not show any continuity with ground or with the body. Moving forward, set the multimeter knob to measure resistance. Check the resistance on all 3 terminals, that is UV, VW and UW. All 3 windings will display equal resistance of approximately 14 ohms. Please note, if there is any major gap in resistance of all 3 windings, then check the resistance of windings again directly at the compressor terminals before declaring it defective. To do so, remove the connector from the compressor. Check the continuity of all 3 wires from the inverter PBA to compressor one by one. It should show continuity with a beep sound from multimeter. Here, if you find any major gap in resistance of all 3 windings, then it means compressor is defective. So this is how you can check the inverter compressor of Samsung frost-free refrigerator. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.